confirm one, and this is basically testament to our vision, what we're doing. We have won awards meant for as a team award, and that was in 2007.
Okay.
We started our firm. I've been in this industry for 5 years.
Right.
We started our firm officially 2-3 years ago, and the first year we got this award by the #1 business coaching firm in the world.
Fabulous.
So we represent Malaysia, and in 2007 we won the Best Team Award.
Excellent.
And last year we won the Best Business of the Year award.
Wow. Okay.
Which is the highest award.
You didn't bring that one. It was too big. I take it that true. Oh, that's the one at the end. That's the one. Okay. Wonderful. Excellent. So of course that means that you guys not only sort of set up this system for people, you also help people to make sure they stick to it.
That's right.
Okay. That's really quite amazing. And I guess you know what Naz has actually told me. I have to ask you both a question. He's actually asked me, are they rich? Is that right, Naz? Is that the question? There we go. Yes, he's just clicked his fingers at me to say that's correct. Are you the guys both? What did you drive here in today? Were they big sort of Lamborghinis and sort of?
It's just a BMW.
Just a new one, customized. Right. Well, of course, you know, people do this. This is good for their futures as well. Right? A lot of people don't think about retirement and stuff like that, and I imagine that's sort of what your financial fortress is for, and I guess your vision as well. Really, you know, it's all about sort of. Would you say it's about satisfying the needs you have right now, but still being able to sort of put something aside for the future?
Exactly. I mean, if you look at the jars again, the fun jar, as I mentioned.